If you see the code, I'll come from the main program. In the main, the very first thing what we have done previously, do connect. I want to connect to the access point. Do connect has got my username and password. And then after, I have a function called client.connect. I'm just trying to connect to the MQTT client. If there is an exception, it will be throwing an exception. What is client.connect? Client is an MQTT client object which has been created with a random number client ID and Adafruit URL. You see this, and the username being my username, and the key is the password that what we copied. And I have two feeds here, feed name 1 and feed name 2. GPIO16 is one feed name, GPIO2 is one feed name. And now after I connected to the MQTT client, now what's next? Now we create the string which is required for subscription, which is MQTT feed name 1. I create here a string with username slash my feed name and feed name 2 being my username and feed name 2. Okay. Then after we set a callback. Now what is this callback for? Callback is a function which will be called upon a request or like a message from your MQTT broker. Now you have subscribed to this particular feed name. Whatsoever event which happens to this feed name, you will be receiving it as a message. So in my while loop, I'm continuously waiting for any messages to come. So client.wait message keeps on waiting for messages. So if at all any message comes, it will directly straight away execute the callback routine. Now what is there in callback routine? If suppose I have received a message from Adafruit like this, like off or on, I just click on this, it will make it on. Just click on this, it makes it off. Now I receive some kind of message from the MQTT broker. Now whenever I receive a message, I'll just execute this callback routine, which will have two parameters, one being the feed name and another is the message. For example, my feed name is GPIO2. I may receive a message saying that either it can be GPIO2 or 16. So how should I identify, how should I discriminate between them? I shall just try to find this string in this biggest string. This feed is a bigger string which will be in format like my username, like something like this, like I'll have my username and feeds and the message, not message, sorry, the feed name, whether it is GPIO2 or GPIO16 or something. Now if the message comes like this, GPIO2, now how should I find out? So I just use this routine. If feed name is present in this, then I will execute this. So what is a message? A message consists whether you want to on or off. So if I try to send an off, so off will be sent to me. So the message will come like off here. So the action, I'm just checking the action. The action is the string message. So if my message is on, I would just toggle my LED or change its state. It's not toggling, I'm just trying to, if it is on, as you know that this GPIO2 and 16 are active low. So if I make them 0, they will be high. That means the LED will be blinking. And the same happens here also. I'm just checking the feed name, whether it is feed name 2, then I'll change pin 2. If it is feed name 1, which is my GPIO 16, I have to check this. GPIO feed name 1 is GPIO 16. Feed name 2 is GPIO2, or this, sorry, pin 2. Pin 2, and I would change this state of the GPIO. This is what is happening. Nothing new. I'm just trying to subscribe to the feed name, waiting for the message. When the message comes, I just execute the callback. What is the callback? It has a message which is received and the feed name which is responsible for that. We just grab it and try to perform corresponding action. Clear? Now let us go to the demo.